Tia, Sachin, Vikas, and Bini. So, good morning, everyone. Welcome to another series of Fine Tune Merrily series. Today we have Team 3 with adverb clauses. Let's hope to have another fruitful session of fine tuning your English. Are we set to go, Tia?
Yes, sir.
Okay, get started.
Sorry, sir. Good morning, everyone. This is Team 3 of Tia, Vikas, and Sachin. We are presenting you what is an adverb clause. Let's get started by Sachin. Screen കാണാം PPT കാണാമില്ലേ?
Yes.
Okay.
So adverbial clauses of place. Adverb clauses of place tell us about where something happens. We can use conjunctions like where, wherever, and everywhere. So let's go through some examples. Here the first example is wherever I go, I always see a McDonald's restaurant. So the conjunction used is wherever. So the adverbial clause of place is wherever I go. Next example is I'm not sure where she lives. Here the conjunction used is where. Therefore, the adverbial clause of place is where she lives. Next, we met kind of people everywhere we went. Here the conjunction used is everywhere. So the adverbial clause of place is everywhere we went. The last example, that's the town where I was born. Here the conjunction used is where. So adverbial clause of place is where I was born. Next we have adverbial clause of time. Adverbial clauses of time tell us about when something happens. Here the conjunctions used is when, wherever, before, after, as, while, until, as soon as, and since. Let's go through some examples. I stopped running when I saw my friend. Here the conjunction used is when. So the adverbial clause of time is when I saw my friend. Annie gets excited whenever she sees a dog. Here the conjunction used is whenever. So the adverbial clause of time is whenever she sees a dog. I will come over as soon as I finish eating. Here the conjunction used is as soon as. So the adverbial clause of time is as soon as I finish eating. Gemma hasn't stopped working since she arrived. So the conjunction used is since and the adverbial clause of time is since she arrived. So let's move on to Vigas.
And the next adverbial clause is adverbial clause of cause or reason. Clauses of cause are used to show why something happens. These clauses begin with the conjunctions because, since, and as. Let us move to some of the examples. I listen to classical music because it sounds beautiful. Because is the conjunction used in the sentence, and because it sounds beautiful is the adverbial clause of cause or reason. Since you are so kind to me, I will help you. Since is the conjunction used in the sentence, and since you are so kind to me is the adverbial clause. The next example, as it was so funny, as it was so sunny, he walked to the park. Um, next slide. Adverbial clause of purpose. Adverbial clause of purpose show why something is happening. We can use so that, lest, and in order that. These are the conjunctions used in this adverbial clause. Examples are he took off his shoes so that he would not ruin the carpet. Here, so that is the conjunction used. In the next example, walk carefully lest you should fall. Lest is the conjunction and lest you should fall is the adverbial clause. The doctors did expensive research in order that they can find the cure for that disease. Here, in order that is the conjunction used, and in order that they can find the cure for that disease is the adverbial clause of purpose. Thank you, sir.
Adverbial clauses of conjunction or contrast. Adverbial clauses of conjunction describes contrasting statement or circumstances despite which something happens. They usually begin with although, though, even if, even though, while, or whereas. Some of the examples are although it rained, they enjoyed their walk. Although it rained is a contrasting statement used here. Next, I enjoyed the meal though it was expensive. Though it was expensive is a contrasting statement used here. Even though I was full, I couldn't stop eating. Even though I was full is a contrasting statement described here. Last one, the Joseph was very popular, whereas his brother had more enemies than friends. Whereas his brother had more enemies than friends is a contrasting statement used here. Then next is adverbial clauses of condition. Adverbial clauses of condition tell us about the circumstances under which something happens. These clauses often begin with if, unless, or provided that. Some of the examples are I only watch TV if my favorite show is on. If my favorite show is on, is the circumstances used here. He won't go to university unless he studies very hard. Unless he studies very hard is the circumstances used here. Last one, you can play the game provided that you follow the rules. Provided that you follow the rules is the circumstances described here. Then next is taking Binny.
Adverbial clauses of manner. Adverbial clauses of manner show us how something happens or the manner in which something has occurred or will occur. They usually begin with the conjunctions like, as though, or as if. Examples are, she looked as though she was in pain. Here, the conjunction used is as though, showing the manner in which she looked. So the adverbial clauses of manner is as though she was in pain. Next, Ryan walked past as if he hadn't seen us. As if is the conjunction used, so the adverbial clauses of manner is as if he hadn't seen us. Similarly, he talked to me like I was a child. Here the conjunction used is like, so the adverbial clauses of manner is like I was a child. Next, adverbial clauses of comparison. Clauses of comparison are used to compare things or ideas. They often begin with conjunctions than or as dash as. Examples are my brother is older than he looks. Here, that helps us show the degree of comparison of age in this sentence. Thus, the adverbial clauses of comparison of degree is than he looks. She is as beautiful as she is smart. Here, as compares the degree between the person's beauty and smartness to show us that it is equal. You are stronger than you think. Here, the conjunction used is than, so the adverbial clauses of comparison is that. Next, the restaurant is not as good as it used to be. Here, the conjunction used is as good as. Thank you.
Note, let's wind up this session. Thank you so much for listening. Adverbial clauses, they have given you a gist. Much. Uh, we shall call this a day and we'll meet again hopefully sometime this week. See you until then. Bye.